Alright fellas, got a package here today from Brads Workbench. He's one of those guys that likes to play with wood. I don't judge. Apparently it's easier on your hands if it's round instead of square. I had some lathe tools in one of those auction tool hauls that I had, and he saw them and he said, hey, I got some shit I can send your way and you can send those my way. And well, yeah, and in a sense that's what we did. Kind of traded some tools. I did notice that somebody may have got into my package. I sent him an email about it. I don't know what all he was sending me. I knew one thing. He said, well, I'll throw a couple things in there. So, yeah, I don't know what all was in here. But we're going to cut her open and figure out just what's left. Oi, oi. Oh, look at that. A 15/16 SK 3/4 socket. Look at there. Fits like a glove. Ah, beautiful. Got some bits in there. Oh, there's even more bits in here. And of course, the Rolgear gearless screwdriver. Ratcheting, but no clicky clicky. The lefty loosey. Right in the middle there, locks her. Nice little bolster there. And ratty tighty. Some of these are actually going to be awesome because they're the long guys. I like the fact that this is the long one. Made in Canada. Good day, mates. Foster's, Australian for Canadian beer. That's nice that he sent me some of these Canadian square tippers, because that's one thing I don't really have a whole lot of. Of course, I don't do a whole lot of wood work and stuff, and that's where you find those screws at, so you know, they may not get used a whole lot, but every now and again you need the old Red Robbie number 2. Brad, thank you. I'll leave links in the description and, you know, cards and all that jazz in the little video here. That was a nice trade there. I do it again and again. This even says SK Tools. 47130 S-K Tools. Yeah, we'll have to go see if we can't figure out just when that was made, or you know, what era. That's a good looking socket though. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Don't send me any panties because they never fit. I bet that's what that fucking hole was. The mailman stole my panties.